For the past 9 months or so, I've on and off been working on my double thumb technique. I didn't really do it at all until about a year ago. Yeah, I was reacting to a Scott's bass lessons video, and they brought up Victor Wooten, the Pretty Little Lady groove, and I've been learning it. Today I'm just going to share with you what I've learned about double thumb. I am by no means an expert, but hopefully this can get you started and get you on your own double thumping journey. First thing to learn in this groove is that double thumb in the A string, slap in the E. So we're on the E on the A string, which is the 7th fret, and it's really quick. And then there's a slap hammer on. Now Victor Wooten, he has a very obvious like up and down. I've sort of done a mix of up and down with my rotate. Thing is to go slow. Just practice this up and down, real slow. Figure out what works for you, find your sweet spot, and then start working on the... You want to be able to do that as quick and precise as humanly possible, pretty much, as you can get it. Then we have a slap hammer on, D to E. We have the next little technique, which is a real quick muted slap, followed by plucking up while fretting the note. After we do that, we have a same thing on the E there. In order, here's what we have so far. We have the double thumb on the E, slap the open E, slap 5th fret, D on the A string, hammer onto E, muted D string, slap, and then pop fretting that 5th fret, G. Then we have a 5/7 again, D, E, but this time we're slapping them. Then we have that, which is just slapping the D and then doing a little tremolo. And really, this first part here, if you can get that down and really clean, it's just a matter of adding in some other stuff. Then we do it on that fret. Then we do muted down, fret it up, C, B, and there's a little that I just do a pop. I think sometimes he does do a slap pop instead of the double thumb at this one spot. Slap pop instead of muted up. It's slap, muted slap, pop, or muted down, up with the thumb. Now, I don't know if this is exactly what he's playing, but this is a pretty close approximation. If this video helps you, let me know in the comments below. If enough people comment or like this video, I'll maybe try to do a full tutorial on playing that Pretty Little Lady groove. What I showed you today should get you started. Try your best to learn the rest by ear on your own, but yeah, like I said, if this gets enough views, gets enough likes, I'll see about maybe doing more of a full tutorial, not just this is the main groove kind of thing. Well, if you want more slap bass advice, if you want more general bass advice, go to my channel, find all my lessons, tutorials. And until next time, bye.